Hello everyone, it's me, and this is the Bagel machine at to HackTheBox. This is the Linux machine and difficulty is a medium here. Generally user is rating for this machine medium and a bit hard. I actually submitted user flag and I thought about this user flag is hard, but the root flag is really very easy because of this is the old room and the privilege escalation now is more easy than the old. So let's get started. So we got here on Bagel that HackTheBox on the 80,000 port with this the page and that equal to index.html is over here. So we just have to be starting here our verb set, then to getting what we have to be do here. So let me starting our verb. Then it's definitely you have to be starting here to mmap scan, but when you're getting here the mmap scan, then you will see here 80 port is over here. But anyway, let's to starting mmap scan is over here. Doesn't matter. Then alright, so let's get starting with here this we just have to be get here, and the 80,000 port is here is actually the page is equal to index.html. So when we are checking here the page equal to the index.html, I think we can thinking about here is local file inclusion. So if it's there, let's get to starting with this. So let me turn on my verb and to send a request one more time about this website. Then yes, we got here too many things, or you can see it's like that. But this one it could be important for us because there or on the URL is the page is equal to index.html. So let's sending it on repeater, and for example, let's try if it's the local file inclusion. You just have to be checking our data. It's just looking for etc and past level D file is over here. So let me send it. Then yes, it worked. So we got here to local file inclusion. So now we got our exploitation with the here to on the page parameter. So for example, it's another important things here is definitely you can checking for proc and self. It's to cmd. Oh, it's not here. So here, right. cmd line is over there. So let me send it. If it's working, then yes, we got here the another important tool is equal to here Python 3 home developer app and app.python file. So let me actually it's to save it on or not here, but we cannot because it's on response. So we got here home developer app and app.python file. So it's on the home in the developer user and then app.python file. So we got here the username is a developer, so we can actually looking for this developer user for the to getting shell or the any user for here. So before they do this to try to actually to read this if it's already imported here. So let me sending one more time. Then yes, it worked, and we got here this the flask Python file. So it could be important for the analyzing first. So before the analyzing it, so let me copy them, and if you're checking it here, please paste. Then yes, they are using here the flask and operation system path, websocket and JSON. So if it's they're using here websocket, it could be a different tool is over here and different port. For example, in the we have to be checking websocket parameters over here, which one is we as is over there, you can see. And then if you're now there, they are using here to 5,000 port, but if you're checking your mmap scan, there is no 5,000 port. It's actually there's a 5,000 port, but we cannot actually to here access it. So we can use this 5,000 port for the getting to DLL here. Because of what? They are getting here this directory is orders and def order forget root our file is a there is DLL file we have to be analyzing before because it's about use your SSHK access the machine. So we have to be check it on the 5,000 port for DLL file. Then we can actually looking for this and to getting their SSHK for access the machine is over here. So now I think we are understanding it. Then we can use or here different skills. For example, it's the important thing to here. Now we can use for views for proc self to cmd line is to again. So if we go back, for example, in the here, and you can see proc self and cmd line, but it could be changed. For example, if you're checking for the one not here, then yes, so then you get here the different things. And for example, let me looking for is 2. If it's work, then for example it not work, so let's fuzzing here. Alright, it could be really easy. Then let me show you guys. Then you just have to be go your terminal is over here, for example, and a few fields you just have to be starting your few fields and -z. We just giving here the -z because we don't use it here in the word list. We just give it here the range. You know, it could be a range, could be like 1 and could be 1000. It's okay, I think, but if it's not, we can use different things. So -ss, we are working on this. If you're checking your one more time to burps it, for example, proc self, then cmd line, then we got changing here, then app.python file, then we are using here what we have to be used for in the websocket is mean to access with .net. So why we are using here .net? So .net is giving us here so randomly for the getting fuzzing is over here. Why we're using here the -ss and -ss and .net file is really important. So then we just have to be using this to give it your URL is over there. Then what the URL is little bit too different, so we just have to be giving a slash on the page, and our page is equal to here. So let me go back. Then yes, we have to be use it. Now here, yes. Then alright, it could be that's true. Then you just have to be give it, but we are just not looking for self, we are fuzzing here. So let's get starting here the fuzzing. Then just give it here enter. Then it actually gives you if there is any verbs and any number is working on the system, then we can analyze it here directly. So we just have to be waiting for here. So if there's to any word to any number for the here for looking different to fuzzing or to proc that self that environment file here. Then I think we got here the self environment and the DLL file for the getting. Then yes, we got here different things. For example, it's equal to 89.1. So let's get use it. 89 fine. So let me give it and send it. Then yes, it worked. Then we got here .net opt Bagel binary debug net64 and Bagel DLL file here directly. So I think it's time to be use it to before the getting this shell onto the DLL file. So we have to be to transfer this file on or the Kali Linux is over there directly. So for example, let me using it to proc self the cmd line, but now we can check it with the curl. It could be to running on the curl http again bagel.HackTheBox on the here, yes, on the 80 port. Then we are now it's running on this page. It's like that. No, yes, page is equal to no, it's equal to here, right? Dot and then we are just looking for like etc that pass stability, and now we are able to what here is 89.1 and cmd line here directly, so we can use it to the paste so anyway. So for example, let me dash output like dash here. Now because of this, yes, then it's giving us here DLL file is over there, but if you're checking your .net file, you cannot get in here. So for example, let me show you how is it possible. Then so if you go there, worked, and try to be analyzing if the file not found is over here because of what they are using here, the .NET file with this no, it could be on the .NET of the file is file not found is over here, so you cannot get it. Then let me checking one more time, dash the output out. For example, we can call it with Bagel.dll. Then yes, it worked, and we got here the Bagel DLL, but it's not our file because it's has the just and the 40 total file here. So if you're running here the Bagel DLL, then it's just SG tag. So this is not our DLL file. So let me remove the Bagel DLL file. Is over here. So we just have to be know here it's not work, and then we can use it for the different things. For example, to let me running here to deleting .NET and try with this. Then yes, it worked because we got here the 2 megabyte file here. So if you're running here bagel.dll, then you can check in here is they are using here assembly, Microsoft Windows in 3 sections is over here. So now it's time to be open our DNSpy exe file. So let me go here to alt. Or DNSpy exe file is over here, but if you're starting here wine, then DNSpy, no, it's not could be like that. DNSpy.exe, just giving you to here could not load because of the kernel 32.dll is not in the to Kali Linux. Is kernel 32 DLL files just under the Microsoft Windows, but you can start it with this it could be like let me okay, we got it before I actually don't remember which one we did it, but it could be here. Is it on the sniper? Nope. Okay, I think it's time to go here. Yes, ChatGPT. So, is it? No. Oh my god, it's I actually got it before, but I remember to nope. No. Into oh really? I actually don't remember how is it possible, but it could be possible with yes, it's over here. You just have to be run this, right? So let me run this. Yes, it worked, and we just have to go here file and open this file and go here to Elliot and then documents here to we are on the Bagel and the Bagel.tl file. Then yes, we got here, then it worked here definitely. So let me analyze the Bagel server before, and if it's there any important things for us. I think it's not. So let me go here base. It could be importing on the base. Then nothing here. So let me go here database. Then yeah, we got here the password. So data source IP until access order user ID is we got here developer password is equal to that. So to here developer user password is equal that. Alright, that's really cool. Then the go file. Okay, they are using here opt Bagel on the orders. So it's about to, I think, what we are found before Python file. You know, they are using here 5000 port, and read order.txt is over here. So is it could be important to checking here the user for the system. Message in unknown, and here orders. Then yes, I think it's time to be coding. So let me run in here Sublime tags and run here to, for example, exploit the Python file. Then yes, okay, let's get started with this. I'm trying to here, looking for the Python file, and we just coding here Python. So we just have to be using here what they are using here. You know, they are using here import websocket and JSON file. You know here. Then they are using here just vs websocket is like that. We just have to be using there what there is. So it could be really cool. And then vs connect on this file. This could be definitely here. But we just have to be changing here the localhost with bagel.HackTheBox. Then yes, and we just have to looking for is anything important. Order. Nope. Okay, we just have to be giving or no skills. So we just have to be using here JSON. Let me giving here for JSON value is equal to. Again, you just have to be running here to. Not like that. Yes, it could be. For example, let me write order here, and my right order it could be. For example, it doesn't matter. You just have to be given here like test. Then yes, to another is data is equal to here string, and JSON. But it could not could be JSON values. Could be like JSON dumps. Then if it's could be or equal to JSON value is over here, and then we ask and what we are using here websocket again for the send here the data is like that. Then print here, so we have to be output because why we are using here print, and we just have to be giving what we are requiring with this to websocket, and then please close the websocket here. So if it's work, so let's try different things to here. So for example Python 3 and to exploit the Python, if you're giving here that's give user ID is equal to 0 and the session it unauthorize it, and remove order is null, and the right upper operation is succeed here. So now its operation is working for us like directly. So if it's or you know it's we are just sending it on the orders file what we are talking about before here. So let me open here, then we just have to be looking for it. They are using here orders to what we are getting before. Yes, it's over here. They are using here orders. So if you are starting here to curl with again bagel.HackTheBox on the 80,000 port on the orders to directory, then yes it worked, and we got here task value is over here. So now we can use this Python code for or to getting SSH because you know we got it before. They are using here for the Python file to page DLL use your SSH key the machine, so we can get here SSH key directly. So it could be really easy, I think. Then we are just using here vs bagel.HackTheBox again, and or not right order because we are not want to be right. We just have to be getting the accesses it. So why we are using here remove order is over here. So let me run it here like type, and then it could be definitely with $. Yes, you just have to be giving here type with $sign here, and then So here Bagel and server file, then Bagel is over there, right? Then what we have to be do to wanna be read here. Alright, I actually wanna be read here. Read file is it could be like again we have to be using here local file, and I actually wanna be read home file and SSH and ID RSI here. So it's could be important for us because we just want to be here to get to K and to hack the SSH with this K here. Nope, we got here something wrong. So what was wrong here? It could be like with this. I don't think so, but so let's try with this, but again we got here wrong. So let me use it to my bagel.txt is over here. Yes. So I don't know what's wrong here, but let me check it. There is no wrong, I think. So let me control save it, then try again. Then yes, alright. So we got here the SSHK for the field. So we can use it with echo on our system. So let me copy them and echo K. No, it could be just paste it and paste it on the K. No way. For sure. Really? What we are got here wrong? So okay. So or K is over here. Then we are just wanna save it on K. Yes. Then yes. So let me cat K here. Then it work. So we just have to be chmod this K with really on this 600 here. Then SSH dash I K is what's our username. Oh my god, I actually don't remember our username is Phil. Yes, it's not here, it's here. Phil at bagel.HackTheBox. Then we got here the shell, and if you're checking your user.txt is over here. So now if you remember, we got here before the to developer the password, and this is the developer password. So now we can to sue for developer here. So let's give me, then let me checking here ID. Now we are on developer is over here. So let me running here sudo-l. Then it's give me here user binary .net. So it's time to, what does it mean? Go to goof the binaries and go there. Just looking for .net and sudo.net FSI just starting here. Then just give this code what we are looking for on the FBI. So let me run in here ID. Now we are got here down to root, so just have to be go here to root and cat root.txt. Alright guys, that is really cool room, I really like it. And if you're checking here this submission info, then you will see here this is really look like a real life. Then we got here the two matter things with just analyzing the LF file and get root here, what was really easy, why I'm checking here very easy here. And thank you for watching.